Hey there and welcome. Today we're going to go ahead and integrate our ClickFunnels 2.0 account with our Mailchimp account. So first of all, we're going to come down here to the settings in ClickFunnels. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on integrations. You'll see here the connect integration button. And from the list of integrations, we can find Mailchimp. We're going to go ahead and enter our information in here. All right, so now that we've entered our email and password, I'm going to go ahead and click Login. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see here it wants to verify and authorize ClickFunnels to integrate with our Mailchimp account. We're going to come down here and click Allow. And boom, there we go. Account connected. So we've got the name of the ClickFunnels account over here and the name of the email to the Mailchimp account over here to show the connection there. That way you can keep track of which account is connected to which. Thanks. If this helped, please leave a like and have a great day.